Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today, we're diving into the DREAME J30-W cordless vacuum cleaner. And if you've been looking for a powerful cordless vacuum that doesn't cost as much as a small car, you're going to want to hear this. This thing packs a serious punch with a 450-watt brushless motor that delivers 144 watts of suction power. Now, what does that actually mean for your home? It means this vacuum can pull up pet hair, find dust particles from your carpets, and all that debris hiding in floor gaps without breaking a sweat. We're talking about professional-level cleaning power in a cordless design. Now let's talk about battery life, because that's where most cordless vacuums fall short, right? The J30-W comes with a detachable battery pack featuring 7 individual 2,500 mAh cells. That translates to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge in standard mode. Think about it. 60 minutes means you can clean your entire house, maybe even your neighbor's house, without stopping to recharge. And here's the kicker. Since the battery is detachable, you can buy a spare and literally double your cleaning time by swapping them out. So why is this vacuum such a popular choice? One word: versatility. The J30-W features a unique 180-degree folding tube that lets you get under beds, sofas, and furniture without doing yoga poses on your living room floor. The LED headlights on the brush head illuminate dust and debris you didn't even know existed, especially in those dark corners and under furniture. I'm talking about seeing dust particles you've been walking over for months. The LED touchscreen on the handle shows you real-time battery status and lets you switch between 3 suction modes with a single tap. Low power for quick daily cleanups, standard for regular cleaning, and max power when you need to tackle serious messes. Let's get into the filtration system, because this is important if anyone in your home has allergies. The J30-W uses a multi-layer HEPA filtration system with a 97% efficiency rating. That means 97% of fine dust and allergens get trapped inside the 0.5-liter dust cup instead of being blown back into your air. The entire filtration system is washable, so you're not constantly buying replacement filters. Just rinse it underwater, let it dry, and you're good to go. Is this product really worth buying? Here's my take. You're getting a 450-watt motor with 144 watts of suction, 60 minutes of runtime, LED lighting, HEPA filtration, and multiple cleaning attachments all in one package. The vacuum comes with a motorized mini brush perfect for furniture and upholstery, a crevice nozzle for tight spaces, and a wide combination tool for desktops and delicate surfaces. The whole unit is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for anyone who doesn't want to lug around a heavy traditional vacuum. You can clean hard floors, carpets, stairs, furniture, and even your car with the same device. Now, what about real-world performance? The suction power stays consistent throughout the battery life thanks to fade-free technology. Whether you're on minute 1 or minute 60, you're getting the same powerful suction. The one-touch dust cup emptying system means you never have to get your hands dirty. Just press the button, the bottom opens, and everything dumps straight into the trash. The brush roller is designed with anti-tangle technology, which is huge if you have pets or long hair in your household. No more cutting hair off the roller with scissors every week. The price point on this vacuum typically ranges from around $150 to $200 depending on where you shop and what deals are available, making it significantly more affordable than premium brands that can cost $400, $500, or even more for similar features. You're getting professional-grade performance without the premium price tag. The J30-W includes a wall mount for easy storage and charging, plus all the attachments snap right on the mount, so everything stays organized in one place. In terms of maintenance, everything is designed to be user-friendly. The brush roller pulls out easily for cleaning, the filter is washable and reusable, and the dust cup has a large opening so you can actually reach in and wipe it clean if needed. The vacuum weighs in at just under 5 pounds when fully assembled, so it's light enough for extended cleaning sessions without arm fatigue. The package dimensions are 10 inches by 8.5 inches by 4.5 inches for the main unit, making it compact enough to store in any closet without taking up your entire storage space. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you.